Hi, Greg here from Mad Gear, and this is a quick video just to show you how I've discovered, after a bit more further investigation, of how you can use the Behringer JT-4000 Micro in a DAWLESS setup. And as you can see beneath me, we have a Teenage Engineering OPZ, which has got the OpLab MIDI expansion pack in there. It's then connected to a USB hub, the Kingston Nucleum. Now, this is the only hub that is actually certified to work with the OPZ, so I would recommend that you get the two. This is receiving power, which is then powering the JT-4000. You would select a MIDI channel here, and now, as long as this and this are talking on and receiving on the same channel. So this is transmitting and receiving on one. This is transmitting and receiving on one. You will see now. You can use the internal sequencer from the OPZ to control the JT-4000, and with the OpLab, you have the ability to connect further MIDI and CV gate, instrumentation, synthesizers, whatever you want to the OPZ to control this and also control the JT-4000. So yeah, just a quick video just to show you that, yes, you can do it. It's not a particularly cheap option. By the time you bought an OPZ, you've bought the OpLab expansion board and this hub, you're looking at probably at least over 10 times the price of a JT-4000. Everybody kind of made out in my last video that an iPad is a computer. I was like, right, okay, let's see if this will work. I'm presuming that if you were to replace this with, say, an OP1 Field, it would do the same. However, an OP1 Field is about 4 times the price of one of these. And in my own opinion, from having an OP1, I actually think the OPZ is actually a more interesting and innovative synthesizer. So there you go. If you have any thoughts, any feelings, any questions, write them in the comments beneath, and we will see you on the next episode. Thanks for watching.